the difference between a store ID, the tracking ID, on-site ID, and off-site ID. So I know that sounds confusing, and it is. That's why I'm doing a video about it, because a lot of people have asked about it. So let's just talk about on-site and off-site. These are store IDs. So when you get to Creator Connections and you have access to your store ID, or in your settings page, you're going to have two store IDs. You might have three if you've been an Amazon affiliate for a really, really long time. They just grandfathered a lot of people in, so you could have three. But let's talk about the difference between them and why they matter. This one right here, this is on-site. An on-site ID starts with ONAMZ, which is on Amazon. ONAMZ on Amazon refers to any clicks, commissions, sales, anything like that that happens on Amazon's website or their app. Everything, pictures, photos, all of that stuff that's happening on the Amazon website or app. Offsite is going to be a special ID that you have created on your own, and you can see mine is right here. This is going to be anything off of Amazon. So this might be TikTok, this might be YouTube, it might be Instagram, it might be Pinterest, it might be Facebook, it might be a blog, a website, Canva. This is traffic that you're driving to or off of Amazon to Amazon. And this is really, really important that you understand this, because the commissions are going to show up different every day. Offsite is the traffic that you're driving to Amazon, and then on-site is the traffic that just is already there that Amazon's bringing on their own. So that is your store ID. Now let's talk a little bit about tracking IDs and why that makes a difference. So I'm on a product page here, and I want to share this out off of the website, off of Amazon. So I'm going to share it somewhere else. You can see right here, I can create as many tracking IDs that I want. And as I click this little arrow right here, it's going to show you I have a bunch of different tracking IDs. Why would you want a tracking ID, and why are they helpful? Well, I want to follow clicks that are coming from Pinterest, clicks that are coming from TikTok, clicks that are coming from YouTube, clicks that are coming from a website, clicks that are coming other places. You can create these in your settings page on the other side of Amazon. So when you go into your settings, you can create as many tracking IDs as you want. Now, maybe not as many as you want, but you can create a lot. Why is that meaningful? Like I said earlier, I want to track who's coming from Pinterest. Well, if I just have one tracking ID, I have no idea, because all of the traffic is coming to one link. But if I specify Pinterest every single time, then I know this is how much traffic is coming from Pinterest, this is how much traffic is coming from TikTok or Facebook or YouTube or whatever. It really helps me as a creator kind of dial down, and you as a creator dial in to what's being successful. So if your YouTube channel or your Facebook channel or your Pinterest pins are crushing it, you can amplify that lever and start to put more traffic or more creatives or images or pictures or videos or whatever it is that you're looking at. That's why this is so important. It helps me understand the tendencies and where my traffic is coming from without relying on Amazon's reports that, as we all know, over the past 2 or 3 months have gotten less and less helpful. If you have questions about tracking IDs, storefront IDs, the difference between them all, please leave a comment. Let me know. I hope this was a good explanation for you. If you found value in this video, or it was helpful for you and it helped you understand something in a new way, please like, subscribe, share this with other people that may have the same questions. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.